Hi guys, if you want to make clock bigger on your Samsung Galaxy M35 lock screen, then let's see how to do it. So for that, first of all, go to settings and then scroll down and tap on lock screen and AOD. Here scroll down again and tap on edit lock screen option. Now from here, simply tap on the clock and now you will be able to see different type of clock. If you want any different clock, bigger clock, you can select from here, or you can make the clock bigger just by tapping it here and making it as big as you want. Another thing is you can change the color of your clock. So let's say you want to keep any bright color, you can select from here or from here. Let's say I want to keep the deep pink. I will select and then done, and you can see it is in the pink now. Similarly, you can select any color you want from here. Simply tap on it, select the color you want, and then tap on done. Also, you can change the font from here. Select any font you want. If you want to add another font, you can do it by tapping on this three dot icon here. And from here, you can select any font you want. I will keep the default option. And once you made all the changes, simply tap on this done button. And now the changes will be applied. So let's check it. Now you can see you have a bigger clock on your lock screen. So that's it guys. This is how you can change the clock size on your Samsung Galaxy M35 lock screen. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.